Alright, so I got my pulse width modulation circuit set up, and the output's just hooked up to a speaker that goes to ground. And with the resistance control disconnected, it doesn't actually stop it from sending signal. You can hear the connection being made. This is a 9-volt power supply. It seems like even with this resistor or this potentiometer connected, it's just a little trim pot. It has the same effect. It doesn't actually seem to change anything whether that's connected or not. So all we can hear is just the connection being made and lost. There's no pulse width modulation audibly actually happening. So if you have any ideas about how to fix that, just let me know.